Ever wonder what it takes to go from lab tech to in-demand blood banking specialist? If you're searching how to become SBB ASCP, you're in the right place. MLC Academy is built for lab professionals chasing ASCP success. Welcome to your go-to guide. Let's break down the exact steps. Step 1. Check your eligibility. ASCP offers several routes. Each has unique education and experience requirements. You must select the route that fits your background. There's no shortcut, so review them carefully. Once you know your route, gather proof, official transcripts, signed docs, and everything must match your ID. Step 2. Apply online and pay the fee. Create your ASCP account, upload your documents as PDFs, and always double-check your info. ASCP won't review your eligibility before you apply, so get everything right the first time. Step 3. Wait for your admission notice, then schedule your exam. You'll take the SBB at a Pearson VE Center. Show up ready, because you only get 5 attempts per route. After the test, you'll get unofficial pass/fail results right away. Official scores come online in a few days. Pass, and your certification is valid for 3 years. Then it's time for Credential Maintenance Program credits. Thousands of lab professionals have passed using MLC Academy's expert-led prep, live classes, video lessons, study guides, and thanks. If you're serious about how to become SBB ASCP, access our proven resources at MLC Academy. Your success starts here. Recap. Pick your route, gather docs, apply, pass the exam, keep your creds current. Ready for more? In our next video, we'll unpack SBB ASCP exam specifics, so hit subscribe or check the channel for that breakdown.